Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very beautiful headband. I used 3.5 millimeters hook and 3 millimeters cotton yarn. Make a slip knot and chaining. I made chains. I have 98 chains. Measure these chains around your head. Skip 2 chains, go to this chain, insert your hook into this chain, pull up yarn, make 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, go to this chain, next chain, in here, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 double crochet, yarn over, go to next chain, pull through, 2 double crochet, go to next chain, pull through, make 1 chain, skip 1, 2, 3 chains, go to 4th chain, make single crochet, 1, 2, 3 chains, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through, double crochet stitches, make 3 double crochet, make 1 chain, skip 1, 2, 3 chains, go to this 4th chain, 1 single crochet, make 1, 2, 3 chains, go to next chain, 1 double crochet, go to next chain, 1 double crochet, go to next chain, 1 double crochet, make 1 chain, skip 1, 2, 3, go to 4th chain, make 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3 chains, go to next chain, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, make 1 chain, skip 1, 2, 3 chains, go to this chain, make 1 single crochet, and continue like this for first row. I made this stitch same as before. Stitch, make 1 chain, skip 1, 2, 3 chains, go to 4th chain, in here this is last chain, make 1 single crochet, make 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, go to same chain, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 double crochet, make 1 chain, turn it, go to same stitch, first stitch, make 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, go to this chains, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, make a chain, skip 3 stitches, go to skip 3 stitches, 1 2 3, go to these 3 chains, go to these 3 chains, pull up yarn, make 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, go to this stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, make a chain, skip this stitch, make 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, go to this stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, skip this stitch, make 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, go to same chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, go to these chains, 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and continue like this. Go to last stitch, make 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, make 1 chain, turn it, go to these chains, make 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, go to here, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, skip this stitch, go to these chains, make 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, go to these chains, 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, go to these chains and continue like this. Go to these chains, make 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, go to these chains, slip a stitch, go to these chains, Make one slip stitch in each chain, and go to corner, this corner. Here make chains, pull up yarn over, pull up yarn over, pull up yarn over, and repeat. Pull through all of them, make a chain, pull up yarn, go to same chain, pull up yarn over, go to back of these chains, a slip stitch, and repeat for this side. Make a slip knot, go to this corner, make chains, pull up yarn and